Hello everyone, this is a small tutorial on how to join a Zoom meeting. First, you have to download the Zoom Cloud Meetings app from Play Store or App Store. Dear parents, there are two ways to join the Zoom meeting. The first one is by clicking on the link that I have sent on Google Classroom. That is very easy. Just click on the link that I have sent on the classroom and directly you will be added to the meeting. And the second option is, once you will open the app, then select the option join a meeting here. Once this option will come, then an option is there to write your name. So my name is Twinkle. I am going to write here my name. Then it will be asking your meeting ID. Once you will be writing your meeting IDs, whatever it is, then you can select on the option join meeting and you can just join your meeting. This is the screen you will see next, and you will be able to see and hear the admin who has scheduled the meeting by clicking on the join audio option. Dear parents, there is one common mistake that we all usually do, and that mistake is we are not able to hear the audio of the host. We are not able to hear what the host is saying, and this happens because we haven't joined our audio. So, select the option join audio that is available at the bottom of the screen, and once you'll select it, your device audio will be joined and you'll be able to hear. Now, once you have joined your audio, mute yourself so that others may not be able to hear what you are saying, or what if there is any background noise, so the host will not be able to hear that, and other participants too. But if you want to speak something, you can make sure that the mute symbol is not red in color. If it is red in color, that means nobody is able to hear you. Okay? But if it is not red in color, that means everyone is able to hear you and your voice is audible to everyone in the meeting. So make sure that if you are not speaking, your device audio is on mute. Also, you can see the list of participants by clicking on participants option. So this is about how to join a Zoom meeting. I hope you have understood it well and try to do it by yourself once on your own. That's it for today. Thank you.